My mom told me no for the first time ever, and I completely lost it.
Princess Chelsea had never heard the word no before, until the day she screamed in the middle of the Royal Mall. Shoppers stopped walking, a baby started crying, and even the giant robot unicorn dragon seemed shocked. Because before the Great Mall meltdown, Princess Chelsea got everything she wanted. If she wanted strawberry ice cream for breakfast, she got it. If she wanted sparkly shoes that blinked, she got them before lunch. Chelsea never heard the word no, not from the guards, the cooks, or even her parents. But that was becoming a big problem. Chelsea didn't just ask for things anymore, she expected them. Every day was a royal shopping tornado of dolls, cupcakes, and unicorn scooters. But nobody knew how bad it was until the Great Mall meltdown. Queen Maris took Chelsea to the Royal Centre Mall. No toys today, the Queen warned. Chelsea didn't even listen. Her brain was already full of toys. Suddenly she saw it, the limited edition Mega Sparkle Dragon. It had rainbow wings, glowing eyes, and real smoke puffing from its nose. "I need it!" Chelsea screamed, dragging her mom into the store.
Chelsea,
Queen Maris looked at the price. "Chelsea, this costs more than 10 royal bicycles. I said no."
No.
The word hit Chelsea like a lightning bolt. No? Did her mother just say the forbidden word? I want it! Chelsea stomped. Then she flopped onto the floor and rolled around like a glittery burrito. "My life is ruined!" she wailed. Stuffed animals fell off the shelves. Crash! Shoppers stared. The dragon puffed smoke. Foosh! Chelsea pointed at it from the floor. "The dragon understands me!" Queen Maris knelt down. "Chelsea, if you fall apart every time life says no, you'll never be strong inside." That made Chelsea quiet. Very quiet. Even the robot dragon seemed interested. Queen Maris stood. "We are leaving the toy store now." Chelsea opened her mouth to protest, then stopped. For the first time ever, she realized screaming wasn't changing anything. As they left the toy store, the silence was heavy. Chelsea marched behind her mother, her arms crossed tight, pouting so hard her lower lip nearly touched her chin. They sat by the grand fountain. "I really wanted the dragon," Chelsea mumbled. I know, said Queen Maris softly. "But did you know that when I was little, your grandmother once told me no?" Chelsea looked horrified. "The Queen said no to you?" Queen Maris laughed. "I cried so hard I accidentally hiccuped during a royal piano concert. I sounded like a confused chicken. Hick, whack!" Chelsea giggled, and for the first time the anger started to melt. Queen Maris explained that hearing no helps you learn patience and self-control. Chelsea looked at her sparkly bracelets and at a little boy nearby who was perfectly happy playing with just one tiny toy car. "Mum, I think I already have enough toys," she whispered. The next day, Chelsea did something that made the whole kingdom proud. She donated boxes of her toys to kids who had none. She still pouts a little when she doesn't get her way, but she doesn't explode like a firework anymore. Princess Chelsea finally learned that you don't need everything you want to realize you already have enough. The Royal Responsibility Quiz. Question 1. What was the forbidden word that Princess Chelsea never heard at the palace? Answer. The word was no. Question 2. What did Chelsea do when her mum wouldn't buy the giant robot dragon? Answer. She had a great mall meltdown and rolled on the floor like a glittery burrito. Question 3. What did Chelsea do with her old toys at the end of the story? Answer. She donated them to other children who didn't have many toys. 1 week later, Chelsea saw a 5-layer marshmallow pizza at the mall food court and shouted, "That belongs to me!" Queen Maris slowly crossed her arms. Chelsea froze. The entire food court froze. Then Chelsea sighed dramatically. "Can I at least take a picture with it?" Queen Maris burst out laughing, and for the first time ever, Chelsea laughed too, instead of throwing a tantrum. If you want to be strong and kind like the new Princess Chelsea, hit that subscribe button and join the Wemmer Kids family. And if you think being grateful is a real superpower, give this video a big thumbs up.
See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye!